Welcome back. Today, we're discussing a simple yet powerful concept, the 2-minute rule. This productivity hack can help you tackle small tasks effectively and clear your to-do list. So, what exactly is the 2-minute rule? Coined by productivity expert David Allen, it states that if a task will take 2 minutes or less to complete, do it immediately. This approach prevents small tasks from piling up and overwhelming you. Why does it work? First, it reduces procrastination. Often, we delay tasks because we think they'll take longer than they actually will. By addressing them right away, you maintain momentum and motivation. Implementing the 2-minute rule is easy. Here's how. Number 1. Review your to-do list, identify tasks that can be done in 2 minutes or less. Number 2. Tackle them immediately, instead of putting them off, take action. Number 3. Keep it consistent, make it a habit to check for quick tasks throughout your day. The 2-minute rule can drastically improve your productivity and help you feel more accomplished throughout the day. So, next time you see a quick task, remember, if it takes 2 minutes or less, just do it. For more tips on productivity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.